Mastering English. Expressing purpose with infinitives. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series, where today we'll dive into the world of infinitives, specifically focusing on expressing purpose using verbs followed by infinitives. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to clearly and accurately convey your intentions and motivations in English. So let's jump right in. An infinitive is the base form of a verb, typically preceded by the word to. Examples include to run, to eat, to dance. In English, we use infinitives in several ways, but today we're focusing on their use to express purpose. When we want to explain why we do something, we use an infinitive verb. This is also known as expressing purpose. For instance, consider the sentence, I study hard to pass my exams. Here, to pass my exams, is the infinitive phrase expressing the purpose of studying hard. Remember this simple structure: subject plus verb plus object, optional, plus infinitive verb. While many verbs can be followed by infinitives to express purpose, there are some common ones you'll see often. Some examples are plan, decide, hope, learn, want. Here are these verbs in action. I plan to travel next year. She decided to quit her job. We hope to see you soon. They're learning to play the guitar. He wants to buy a new car. Let's try a quick practice. Fill in the blanks with appropriate infinitives. 1. She bought a new book learn, programming. 2. I woke up early finish, my project. 3. They're saving money buy a house. Remember, practice is key in mastering this topic. Make sentences of your own to express purpose using the structure we learned today. And that's a wrap. We've covered how to use infinitives to express purpose in English, which can significantly enhance your conversational and written English. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature to you. As always, thank you for joining me in this lesson. I hope it has been helpful. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue exploring English grammar fundamentals. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.